Shivani Sharma reporting right now that there is heavy shelling right now going on in the Uri sector. The entire LOC, viewers, we've been given to understand is lit. Heavy shelling from Pakistan side. Shivani, what more can you add?
Preeti, the LOC at multiple places has been reporting of heavy artillery shelling from Pakistan side. That's what we were reporting from the Army's official information too, that in Rajouri also and Poonch sector, Bimba Gali area, there also there are reports of heavy shelling, that is artillery shelling coming from Pakistan side, to which India is retaliating. Now we are getting some inputs that in Uri sector also heavy shelling is going on right now. Remember, all these places were already witnessing ceasefire violations since last 12 days. Today is the 13th days in constant, where not the small arms, but now the heavy firing of the artillery shells is taking place. So Indian Army is also retaliating in the similar manner, and this was expected, Preeti, because Indian Army is also keeping itself ready for any kind of retaliatory action after a big action, the Operation Sindoor, on the 9 terror outfits inside Pakistan and Pak-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. These have been the strongholds of the terrorists who have been training there. They've been funded by Pakistan, protected by Pakistan, given VIP treatment inside Pakistan. Most wanted terrorists, they've been given treatment of a VIP in Pakistan. So now, after this strike has happened at 9 locations in Pakistan and POJK, there is heavy shelling being reported at the LOC, not only in Mendhar, but Uri sector, Bimbagari, Rajouri and Poonch. So multiple places are now witnessing heavy shelling from Pakistan, to which Indian Army is retaliating and responding befittingly.
Shivani, Pakistan, of course, admitting that India has struck Pakistan in 3 locations, exactly what India elucidated. Also said that all of Pakistan's aircrafts are right now, flying. But how is India responding? Are we getting in any information on that right now? Are our Rafales also airborne?
See, all the air assets are activated at this time because India has carried out a big strike, and the air jets which went inside, the fighters which went inside, what was these fighters, what kind of missiles were activated, all these details will be shared today, as has been mentioned by the release also. But Preeti, certainly we are keeping our assets activated along the line of control and the airspace above too, for any kind of retaliatory situation if it created by Pakistan. But right now what we know is that on the borders also, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army, they are all ready. They are all deployed there in high numbers to tackle any kind of situation that arises after Pakistan's misadventures or its retaliatory action after these strikes have happened there. And of course, we've been seeing the sea drills. So all the 3 arms, the Army, Navy, Air Force, they are on high alert, activated, deployed, where they need to be right now, and they are ready for any kind of action and challenges, because this was a calibrated action by the Indian Air Force,
right,
and this was a well-planned strategic action that was
Shivani, are you getting in any information? Are you getting in any information at all that how did India strike? Were these missile strikes? Are we given to understand?
Preeti, we've been getting information about the successful Operation Sindoor.
Okay.
We've been getting congratulatory messages from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who says Bharat Mata Ki Jai. That means this operation has been successful. The specifics will be shared today about how the operation was carried out, the places exactly where the operation was carried out.
Okay.
And as of now, the official information that we have is that 9 terror outfits inside Pakistan and POJK have been hit.
Fair point, Shivani.